What's up YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja back with another lead on how to make money online. Guys, thank you so much for joining me on this lovely day. I hope you are having a lovely day. And today I'm going to be presenting a video about technical marketing writing. That's it. Technical marketing writing. So for all you writers out there, you can literally write your way into a paycheck. Okay? Now, this company is called Steyr Content. Some might say Steyr. I have never spoken with them, but I pronounce it Steyr. I hope I'm right. I hope I'm not butchering their name. But if you want to know what kind of company they are, you can actually check out their website at steyr.net. Content connects building, understanding, relationships, businesses. Okay? We are world-class writers, editors, designers, video producers, and content strategists ready to help you connect. We have 2 decades of delighting clients, large and small. Now, guys, bear in mind there are tons of these companies around the world that have been around for decades and you've never heard of them. And that's attributed to the fact that a lot of them allow people to work remotely. And you set up a company online. So there's no physical office. There's no lady at the front desk that answers calls and lets people in through the front door. There's none of that. Everybody's scattered across the globe and everybody works from home. And that is what this is. Okay? Now, you can check out their sites, check out these tabs, see what the company is like. They may ask you about that, so be sure to read up about the company. Now let's just jump into this job description specifically. It was posted 2 days ago. However, finding good writers doesn't happen overnight. Okay? You can't just see someone and, oh, hired. You need to vet. And as you know, if you are a writer and you are subscribed to this channel, which, by the way, I'm inviting you to do so at this point in time, to go ahead, hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share this video with every person, every writer you know. Okay? Now, the job is a remote one, which means you work wherever there's internet, whether the beach, home, in the park, in the cafe, on the mountaintop. Once you have Wi-Fi, anywhere, you work remotely. Once you get the job done, you're good. Job category, hourly talent, or fixed client. Okay? So the job description is as follows. We are seeking a technical marketing writer with corporate storytelling experience for a role with one of our large tech clients. In this role, you'll cover at least one broad topic area to sniff around for leads, pitch story ideas, and write and publish blog posts or articles for approved pitches. You'll also receive assigned story topics. Topic areas may include info security, AI, the cloud, and other technical subjects. You must have enough technical know-how, ideally some experience working at a large tech company in one of those areas, to interview SMEs intelligently and write crystal clear technical posts efficiently. If you're the right fit, you're a very strong writer and a trained journalist excited to work in a virtual, fast-paced newsroom environment with a small, friendly, high-powered team. You have journalist skills to sniff out stories and handle tough interviews. This is an ongoing remote contract role for a client based in Redmond, Washington. The work will be at least part-time and may turn into a full-time role in the future, although it's not guaranteed at this time. We'll only be able to respond to applicants who meet the basic qualifications for this role. We offer a strong benefits package for full-time employees. Now, what's required? 4+ years of professional writing experience, including at least 2 years in corporate storytelling. Experience sniffing out stories and figuring out engaging angles. Fluent in technical topics, at least one of the following: info security, big data, AI or machine learning, cloud, networking. Now, strongly preferred, familiarity and experience with Microsoft products, especially Azure, I guess people pronounce it differently, but you get the point. This name. Steyr content provides equal employment opportunities to all employees and applicants for employment without regard for race, color, religion, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, national origin, age, disability, or genetics. And if you are a technical marketing type person who happens to be a journalist, or you went to school for journalism and you've possibly minored in marketing and stuff like that, apply for the job. If you know someone on Upwork or Fiverr or any one of those platforms who is a great writer, who knows marketing and who knows the tech industry, share this with everyone you know. Okay. Now if you realize what this says, hourly talent, fixed client, it's a part-time job, yes. It's a good job to have as a writer, yes. Especially if you're a freelancer who's already working on projects, this is a good shoo-in for your what you call it, your calendar. So if daily you'll work 3 hours in the morning, you can fill in some time working, say, another 3-4 hours in the afternoon after you take a break to write, okay, and write your content for this big tech company. See, it says working at a large tech company, or rather, where is it? Okay, they did mention that you'll be working for one of their large clients in this tech space. Okay, so if you're familiar with info security, AI, the cloud, and other technical subjects and so on, if you're a journalist and you're willing to work in a fast-paced remote office type of community, if you are good with technical jargon and all that jazz, apply for the job. Okay, this is a very good lead, so be sure to check out their website. And they didn't offer any information on salary. However, in a sense, that's good because you can negotiate. Even if you go for the interview and you don't get this job, you don't get this opportunity to work from home, it's fine, because you're also seeing if they are a good fit for you, not just you being a good fit for them. Okay. Now, if all this sounds great but you're into building your own business, then I invite you to check the links in the description below for the best ways I have seen for anyone. Once you know how to read and follow instructions, anyone can set this business model up, anyone can set this business up and start generating money online passively. It's not a get rich quick thing, but if you can learn these skills in a relatively short period of time, you could be replacing your salary. In some cases, I've seen people replace even months worth of salary in 1 month. Okay, so it rewards you based on how much effort you put into it. If you can spare an hour per day, that would be amazing to set this up and then watch it run. Yes, you will check on it from time to time. You will tweak things. You will do stuff like that. However, it runs even if you're sleeping, because you do leverage the power of AI. You leverage the power of websites. You leverage the power of apps and softwares. Okay, so go ahead, check out the links in the description below, and I invite you again, if you like the content I've shared, hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like the video, comment on the video, and share it with everyone you know. This is the Internet Income Ninja, strongly recommending that you start making money online. The world is shifting. And if you need a job to get you going, that's why I bring you this amazing content. That's why I record these videos. That's why I do these reviews. That's why I bring you in contact with the best apps, softwares, and technology out there to help you make money online. So thanks again for watching. Thanks for sticking to the end. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.